In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email in Etsy. Keeping your Etsy account email up to date is really important, especially if you're running a shop. This is where Etsy sends order notifications, customer messages, and important account alerts. So you want to make sure it's an address you actually check regularly. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, sign into your Etsy account, then head to your Shop Manager dashboard. If you're already logged in as a seller, you can usually find Shop Manager at the top of the Etsy homepage. Click that, and it will open your main seller dashboard where you manage orders, listings, and settings. Once your Shop Manager dashboard is open, look over to the bottom left side of the screen. There, you'll see your profile area, which usually shows your shop name and profile picture or initials. Click on your profile section. This is where Etsy keeps many of your account-related options. After you click your profile, a small menu will appear. From that menu, choose Account Settings. Go ahead and click Account Settings to open the page where you can manage your personal details, including your email address. Give the page a moment to load. On the Account Settings page, you'll see several sections related to your account. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Change Your Email. This is the area dedicated specifically to updating the email address associated with your Etsy account. In the Change Your Email section, click into the field for your new email address. Carefully type in the new email you want to use for your Etsy account. Make sure there are no typos, extra spaces, or missing characters, because this is the address Etsy will rely on to contact you. Just below that, you'll see a second field to confirm your new email. Click into the Confirm field and type the exact same email address again. This double entry step is there to help catch any typing mistakes. Once both fields are filled in and you've checked them, look for the button that says Change Email. Click on Change Email to save your new address. Etsy may send a confirmation link to the new email, so be sure to open your inbox and verify the change if prompted. After that,